Today I'm going to do another TEMU haul. This is a series of small items I bought for my home, various small items. So I'm just going to do an unboxing of it here. Okay, so this first one here, this is a one-piece silicone muffin. It's a muffin pan, silicone muffin pan. This is it. I'm gonna put the prices up here so that you'll be able to see them. This one here is brush for the toilet. It's kitchen bathroom brush. This here is a door stopper. This is to keep the coal, keep the insects, keep the bugs from sliding under the door. This is it here. You fit it under the door. It's a door stopper. This one, the size is 36 inches. Okay, now I've got some, these are just floss toothpicks, regular ones. Don't forget, I'm gonna put the price up here so that you'll be able to see what I paid for it. This here is these are just tiny items. This one is a hair massage brush. So you're in the shower and you want to massage your hair, you hold it like this and you're able to massage your hair in the shower. Soft and quite comfortable. These are band-aids, plasters. 100 came in the pack. Comfortable band-aids. It has 4 different sizes. This here is for snoring. If you're a snorer and you snore a lot, it's a clip to clip. I'll try it out to see. I'll let you guys know. This is just some elastic band that I ordered. Just some elastic band. Put the price here so you'll be able to see how much I paid for it. These are just some earbuds, some Q-tips. You're able to check cotton swabs. Over here, this is some, well, you could tell I already like making muffins. So these are some muffin cups. Silicone. I have got the silicone already. These are foil muffin cups. It's about 100 in the packet. So I could use it along with this here. Could fit in easily. This here, this is some nose strips. Snorer again. You want to get some nasal strips. so it helps with the snoring. I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know. Nasal strips. As I said, guys, not many, just very small items I ordered. This one is a knife sharpener. Cute, eh? Knife sharpener. So you've got your knife, you'll be able to fit it in here and get it sharpened. Knife sharpener. It also came with, so you could actually put it on your counter. So you could attach it. It has the sticky pad on it. This one is an adapter cable I picked up for my phone. So I'll be able to, let me just tear it open. Okay. OTG data cable adapter, micro for Android or tablet. Fit your phone in here. This is a female to male. Let's see what's it. Oh, this is a banner. Let's have a look at it. Oh, kitchen banner. Food, love, joy. Oh, beautiful kitchen banner. It says, this kitchen offers food, love, joy. So it's a beautiful kitchen banner. Oh, pretty. Can't remember ordering this one. And this last one here, it's a little personal. These are some underwear that I ordered. This one is 6-pack of cotton underwears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-pack of cotton underwears. Hope you enjoy my TEMU haul this time. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to try out everything, and then if there's anything to come back to you to let you know, I will do so. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.